All right, XRP Army, we have a lot to dive into in this video. We are going to talk about the price standpoint, but we also had an unusual transaction, and we're going to talk about that. And there was a little bit of a scare with XRP and this big transfer. We'll address that, talk exactly what it is. But this overall cryptocurrency market right now, guys, we're breaking down a little bit. And if we head over to CoinMarketCap, we can see that, we're seeing, across the board, things down 1, 2, 3, 4%. XRP right here sitting at 50 cents. Now, this is not just any price point, though. We've talked about this crucial number before at 50 cents. We're going to talk about why this is so important, and a reversal from here is much, much needed. We have seen a ton of buyers come in at this point before. I mentioned last night over on Twitter, I'll show you this. Basically, right here, Altcoin Daily put out this tweet late last night. XRP has lost support. Every major moving average has flipped. XRP now hovering just over 50 cents. Are you following? And so this was an interesting tweet, and they're right. We have been losing support, but this level right here at 50 cents has been a level where we've seen XRP reverse, both in the short term and in the long term. And I'll show you that here over on the charts. So we were here. We were already here back in October, okay? So basically, yes, I mean, we have lost support again. We're below the 20-day moving average, which is that yellow line. But right in here, back in September and October of last year, we reversed. Here's another one too. I mean, we held the line right in here back in June, okay? Now, we did dip a little bit down below this 50-cent level in May, okay? We got down to about 42 cents before reversing, but this was kind of on our upswing. This was kind of on our way up. Since we've got and captured 50 cents here, we've bounced off it pretty nicely. All right, so there's not like a ton of support here, but I still feel really strongly about the XRP whales coming in at this price point. That's about 50 cents. We're going to keep that line on there because we need to see a reversal from here, okay? So that's what I wanted to talk about with the price. We're watching this 50-cent mark. By the way, we're right on top of it right now. We're at 50 cents exactly, 50 cents and a half basically. So that's what I need to look at the price standpoint. Now, I will say this with the price before we move into this unusual activity, and I want to talk about that in this video as well, the big transfer from Binance. So we're going to get into that in just a second. Year over year, we're down 18%. We want to see some type of resurgence. We need some positive catalyst here, whether it's the overall market, some positive news. We have been kind of down and out for a while, but I'm not going to panic until we break down below that 50-cent level. By the way, if you believe the buyers are going to come back in here, this is the 1 week outlook, by the way. If we go into the 1 day, if you believe the buyers are going to come in here, look, we got the momentum up on the 1 day flash right around here not too long ago, back in October. So if you want to know if that's going to flash again or when it does, because from that point we went, from 50 cents all the way up to 73 cents. If you're ready for that kind of move again, you want to load your bags up. XT Algo, my trading indicator, the best in the game, guys. It's the cheapest price out there when it comes to indicators. Instead of $47, it's $37 a month. Instead of $125 for 3 months per quarter, less than $100. 30-day money back guarantee. Try it today. I'm telling you, you will not be disappointed. Now, with that being said, I want to talk about XRP and this unusual $10 million whale activity. So here's what we had. We had a withdrawal of 20 plus million XRP tokens. The whale alert fired here on this transaction. It accounted to around $10.5 million. This came from Binance, the world's largest crypto exchange. The transaction was labeled unusual because it deviated from the regular pattern of XRP movements there, usually associated with big platforms linked to Ripple payments such as Bitstamp, Bitso. We've covered these type of moves before. What sets this particular transfer apart, though, was not only its departure from the conventional channels, but also the undisclosed destination of these tokens. But after we looked deeper at this, at the whale alert here, we did find that it was just a transfer of internal operations, probably for security purposes. So it wasn't anything to panic about. There were some people out there panicking over on social media. So I wanted to kind of address that and talk about that it's just a transfer, was not Binance selling their XRP, because that would be a different story. Now, even at this article, eyes on the XRP price. This is, again, a crucial point. Even, the people writing these articles know that where we are right now at 50 cents is a very significant demand area. Okay. This was a very significant demand area. Following the episode, we saw even earlier this year, XRP got down to 50 cents and we saw a 7% pop. All right, right in here. We basically saw it even in here too. We got down to 50 cents and we saw a pop back up to 54. We saw it again, back in here at 55 cents even. That's the one they're talking about. We've since lost that support. But again, this is the crucial one back in October. This is where we dipped a little bit below that 50-cent line and then took off. We have not really went too far below. Now, if XRP breaks the 50-cent mark, we're watching it very closely, I become a buyer. If you guys have watched this channel before, you know that I like to scoop up XRP at that 48, 47, 46 cent level. Absolutely love it. So we'll be watching this closely, and that's when I'll be buying XRP. I appreciate you guys for checking out the video. Again, XT Algo, unbelievable trading indicator I had built. It's been live since August. We've got hundreds of people making better decisions, crypto and stocks. And then here's the thing, guys. If you don't have a VPN, definitely get one. And I'm offering you guys 4 months free through NordVPN, probably the best VPN service out there. There are a few, but I think Nord's the best. I've been using them for 5+ years. This is an unbelievable deal just for you guys. 4 extra months free when you use my NordVPN link down below. And if you want alpha, early access to new plays, new trades, you get access to all of us that you see in this photo through HGA Access. That link's down below as well. So got some cool opportunities for you down there. Appreciate you guys as always. XRP's price at 50 cents. We're going to be watching it very, very closely here throughout the day. And I'll bring you guys up to speed on what I'm doing and the moves I'm making. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to smash the like button on your way out.